up, y'all? Good morning and welcome back to Life of Shayla. I'm Shayla. I am going to be trying a new process here. I am going to be twisting and banding. I've seen a lot of people do this, but I've never tried it, but always wanted to, so I figured today will be the perfect day. I just left the gym and I am about to shower and wash my hair. So why not try this new method? I am going to do mine a little smaller than I normally do. Right now I'm just sectioning off my hair. Go ahead and turn for you guys. Just sectioning off my hair so I can go ahead and get the process started. So I'm going to be twisting, but what I'm going to do is my little baby locks back here. I am going to still braid those up. I know in my last video I didn't braid them because I was, testing the waters. You know what? I'm not going to braid it. Change my mind again. Let me just go ahead and braid. So I am going to just take that little baby lock, add some additional locks, and braid it before I twist the whole little section. I'm not going to braid it all the way down. Now I'm going to take the little section and I am just going to twist. Twist the entire section. I have my rubber bands down here, so that's why I'll be looking down if I... So right here I'm just checking to see if I have any baby locks that need to be put away first before I do my twist. But I didn't feel any that felt like, they're really tiny or not really, that may risk coming down. So I think I'm good there. So I am going to pull these out of that twist, connect it with another lock. So this is how I do my baby locks, right? I just grab a nice section of hair and I just take it and I braid them together. And then I migrate the entire braid into the twist. Usually when I'm braiding and banding, I'll braid those parts separate and then I'll include it into the whole braid. This is my first time doing a twist, so I am just doing the same routine before I twist. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a 360 for you. Here's my hair twisted and banded. I will be sure to come back after I'm done washing, give you guys my thoughts and let you know how I liked it, if I'll continue to do it. Of course, it was a lot faster than braiding and banding. It probably would have been better had I had my mirror in front of me, or my daughter's mirror, but you know, whatever, it worked. And here's your 360. Alright guys, so if this works, that'll be great because it is a lot easier than braiding, and I'm sure the takedown process will be a lot better as well. So I will follow up with you guys once I get out the shower and finish washing my hair. Alright guys, I am back. Hair is washed. So I am going to take this turban off. Ooh, so wet. This is why I like these things. It sucks up a lot of water. Alright, so give you guys a look at after. Let me see, there we go. I'm gonna do a 360. This is after the wash. All right, so I am going to take these down and talk to you guys. To me, the twisting is, I mean, it's okay. I can get to my scalp a lot better, so I love that. I can get to my scalp a whole lot better. That's awesome. But it does feel like as if you're almost like not braiding and banding. And the reason why I say that is because like so much of your hair is loose toward the scalp. Luckily, I'm not new in my journey. I don't know. Maybe if I do them smaller, that would be better. Guys, it's always so hard for me to get these dang on rubber bands off. I usually, you know, pull it up, use a scissor to cut it. But because I'm not in the mirror, it's that much more difficult. So I'm probably not going to take all of these down on camera. But this is how it's looking. And I will go ahead and take all these down. I'm going to separate and then I'll be back on to show you guys what it looks like and give you guys my final thoughts. All right guys, I am back. Hair is taken down out of the twist. My final would be, I'm not sure about the twisting and banding. I don't know if I did the twist too big. Maybe I need to try them a little smaller, but like my hair just feels like so much rougher than it normally will. I mean, yeah, that should be a good thing, right? Because your hair feel rough, better chances of it locking. But I'm just hoping that me doing a twist did not do any like serious damage, you know, like bunching or anything like that. I never really had bunching, you know, in my whole journey. I'm gonna be 9 months tomorrow. Update coming soon. But I never really had bunching in my entire journey, so I hope that, you know, me trying to do that twist the lazy way, well, not really lazy, it's definitely an easier way of doing it, you know, braiding and banding. It just, I'm not sure if it works for me like it works for others, but I am going to give you guys a close-up. I think I'll give it a try one more time, but I'm definitely going to do the twist a lot smaller and see if that corrects the issue. I think because these twists were so like jumbo twists, they didn't really like stay as much as I would have liked them to. So maybe if I do the twist a little smaller, then they'll have a better chance of staying. But I am going to give you guys a 360 of my hair after washing. Hopefully there is no damage in there, you know. But I'm also going to be having an update coming soon. 9 months, since tomorrow is my 9-month mark, but that'll probably be out in like the next 2 days. I'm going to record it tomorrow since it's actually that day. But here we go for 360, guys. my little hair over here, guys, whatever. But alrighty, guys, thank you for watching. That is my first time trying to twist and band, trying something new. Hopefully I no longer have to braid and band soon, as it's almost 9 months for me. But thank you guys for trying that experience with me for the first time. I'll definitely be back with more sister lock videos, and of course more lifestyle videos, which my lifestyle videos are mainly just like food that I'm eating, trying to get back on this keto journey, and my weight loss. But I will check you guys in my next video. Thank you for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.